Bless up, family. Yeah, it's time like these. I'm proud of being a farmer, man. As you see, a brand new pine has peeped itself out right now. Brand new pine apple plant is a fruit. I planted this myself, and I just wanted to document it and let you see the truth. Farming from evening till a morning, family. My love for farming have me really shook. As you see, ladies and gentlemen, it's a brand new pineapple, and that's the way they look when they're just coming out. And you're looking at the pineapple tree, pineapple plant that I planted, right? And it's finally coming to fruition. I'm gonna make you see it up close and personal. I know you probably have never seen a pineapple plant fruit from baby. So there's the beautiful pine fruit. As it comes and matriculates, it's going to grow rapidly over the next few days, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I know it's not my first one. Last one I got over here. I'm going to weed out the bushes a little bit. And here I have another one coming. Now, to tell you the truth, it's not the only one that I have fruit in right now, but I'm so happy because I was wondering if there was something wrong with this pine tree. Y'all gonna tea. So give thanks and praise to the Most High, my family. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for making the Crocus Bag farmer worldwide known, world renowned farmer man. Y'all gonna tea. Now, I just have this pine planted in the side yard, and you have to have patience with pine as far as, it takes a while for it to bear, either a year or two. And I do have another one down here too. It appears it's the last batch of pine, and this, I just noticed that it was developing, that it had fruited about 3 days ago. I'm telling you, these things here, they move rapidly. So this is a different pine plant, more in the backyard area. And the other pine plant is up that way. So I just want you to see the development. In a few days I will have to pick this because it's going to sit here and ripe. But these pines, they grow rapid, real quick. Once they fruit, they grow real quick. As you see, it's developing. You can tell the difference from the other one up front. And here I have another pine plant right here. I did come and weed them out the other day because I noticed that they were in a little bit of grass. There's another one over there, like he's happy. Just got a little rain also. I'm here in the side yard right here. Just got a little rain. I just happen to live right here. And this channel right here push water out, so a lot of fishes like to hang out right here. I don't know if I'm gonna see any here. Oh yeah, there goes some right there in a little pond. I don't know if you can see them moving around, but I don't know if you see them right there. Two little fishes, but this is where the big ones hang out, because as you see, the water is moving right here. So water is running off the road, come in and settle. This is where they get their feeding. So my coconut tree again, I planted it. Yeah, go tell a friend, farmer man, farm everything, we plant everything. So me have a look at gungo peas right here. It's coming. Hopefully me get some Christmas gungo. I'm gonna have a look at ackee tree, but because I was out. But here we go. My tree pine is right here. You see them? And this one has bloomed. So just subscribe, like, and share. And you'll see that we're here. Big up yourself. This is one that's bloom. That's the baby one right there, it's just coming. And here's one that's not bloomed not yet, having fruit. And I have another one up here. You see I have my sweet sap tree. The sweet sap tree is just growing very, very well. I have a few little bird pepper around here. You see them? They even have fruits on them. See? Little bird pepper. See the little fruit them on it. And here's another one right here. Right? It's a caterpillar just eating off my ram goat dashalam leaf right here. And I'm not too happy. Right? Bird pepper plant. My little bird vine coming back because I trimmed them up. I cut off everything. Big ram goat dashalam. Yeah. And this is something that I haven't seen in a while in America. Right? Wasp nest. Where did this come from? I don't know. I haven't seen that in a minute. But I just see my ram goat dashalam. These little lizard like to hang out on the plants. You see them? He's right there. I give some boss also. But again, worm bush. Some worm bush here. Yeah. My crotnaps scores. Another gongo piece are come. But like I said, you know, the whole point was just to show you my pine tree. This one is not blooming again. This one, believe it or not, I think I got a pine off of this one already. And I picked it, cut out the neck, and left it. This one haven't produced as yet. But lo and behold, there's another one too. I have to weed them out, you know, take off some of the stuff. Lo and behold, this one has finally produced, ladies and gentlemen. Finally, look how beautiful that pine blends in. Finally produced. And I didn't even notice it. I was out here yesterday. Beautiful, beautiful pineapple. Right? So my family, remember to subscribe, like, and share to the channel. You guarantee, because it's working that I do every day. I try to plant, you know, and if you notice, I got myself in trouble here with this mango tree, right? It's going to get big and big and big. It's actually an East Indian mango tree, and I'm trying to prune it to keep it small, but I don't know how long I'm going to be able to do that, family, right? So bless up on yourself. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share. Oh wow, there's another pine over there. I definitely got to clean this out. I have 5 pines right here. 5. One right here. Another one right there. They go one right back there. Behind this aloe right here. I got to clean out some of this stuff, really. See, I've been gone. And then there's another one right here underneath this moringa. This vervain. The vervain is looking a little bit damaged, so it was winter. We're coming out. We just got a shower of rain, so it's a good time tomorrow, probably. You know, clean up the garden. You know, I'm actually gonna go over by a friend now, see if I can set up a garden for her. See? So bless up on yourself. You know, it's the Crocus Bag farmer, Rastafari soldier, real farmer man. Real farmer man. As you see, it's real camouflage. You can hardly see it, right? Man, what a beautiful fruit. Bless up on yourself. I'm just showing you my pine root. Mother root. These are red water grass. Good for high blood pressure, family, if you ever see them.